I've been having a bit of a tidy up and I've forgotten how many stoves I've actually got. I've got all kinds of alcohol, gas, got all my gas needs covered, well almost. I've got little stoves that people have sent to me to review. This was the serotonin. And I've got this little one as well, this little Idon. Absolutely love that, by the way. You're going to see a lot more of that little boy. And I've got my wood stoves, primarily wood stoves that I've had for years in some cases, like this element stove. I don't use that much. I think you've only seen that once or twice on the channel. Honey stove, I don't think they make them anymore. Don't think you can get them. It's a shame really, because it's an excellent piece of kit. And we got me more modern stuff with the Firebox. I've even got things that go back. This is a Bushbuddy Ultra. I've had that for, I don't know, must be at least 15 years. I don't use that very much either. I need to take that one out again. Some bits I've modified, like this old wood stove here. The top broke off of it, so I got another piece and put him on. That's a Franken wood stove, I guess, but he works perfectly well. I've even got things that I've created myself, like this little oven I did a video on a couple of weeks ago. And then I've got another cupboard which is full of bits and pieces which don't get used often enough. This is just a selection. I've got other bits and pieces lying about as well. And that's before I come to all my pots. Lovely titanium mess tins and other pots and pans that I've got, and cups lying about. I see myself as very privileged to own such lovely pieces of kit and to be able to go out and play with them all. They've all got their own unique stories to tell and bring back memories of adventures like bike packing across Europe, or a crazy idea one night to saw up a saucepan and make an oven, which works really well, by the way. All these bits of kit were built with a purpose in mind, and that was to be used and not left in a cupboard somewhere feeling lonely and unloved. So this year I'm going to try not to get too carried away. Of course there's always another stove or another pot that catches my eye, but this year I'm going to try and be a good boy. I'm going to use all the bits and pieces that I've got and try not to buy too much. I really don't need any new gear, so anything I buy will be more of a want than a need. The only bits of kit that I plan on buying this year are a couple of accessories for the Firebox Freestyle, and there's also a gas stove that I'm after. It's just a style of gas stove that I don't actually own, so it would be nice to have that as well. But apart from that, that's it. Like all you good people out there, you probably do the same thing, don't you? You go, that's it, I'm not buying any stuff this year. I'm not buying any kit this year. Next thing you know, there's a bing bong at the door and a delivery man's there. Of course, if any manufacturers contact me, things that I think you'd be interested in, then of course I'll have them and I'll show them to you, and you can make your own minds up then, whether you like it or not. But apart from that, I'm going to keep enjoying everything that I've got. If you've got any must-have stove purchases for this year, let me know in the comments. Second thoughts, don't let me know in the comments, because I read them all and I'll start looking at it. And if it's something unusual, something I haven't got, I'll be going, and I'll start researching it online. Next thing you know, there'll be a bing bong at the door. So don't tell me. But share with everybody else. I guess what I was trying to say today is, before you start going out and buying loads of bits and pieces, have a look at the lovely stuff that you've got, bits that you haven't used for a while, and go out and enjoy them and continue to make more stories and more memories with them. Stoves aren't just about cooking, they're about creating wonderful memories from Happy Adventures.